So this is my mushroom piston engine design. I thought I'd show a video of a SolidWorks assembly. You can get a better idea of how it works or what it is. So this is a two-cylinder design for the Kawasaki EX500, which was a four-stroke originally, of course, and it uses the Kawasaki head as a four-valve exhaust-only head. So here's the reed intakes. Reed off a KTM 300. It uses low pressure direct injection, so here's the EV1 injector, the fuel rail here. I'm just showing one injector. And the assembly's complete on the left cylinder. Here it is. This is the water inlet. There's the temp sensor, cylinder temperature sensor, coolant temp. There's that. So I'll show a section view of it. Go to plane, display. Okay, here's a section view. So you get to see the reed inlet. This is the inlet chamber here, and then the transfer ports in the cylinder liner. So as the piston moves down, it compresses the volume below the piston in this area here, and then the transfers open, and the pressurized air only mixture transfers through into the above the piston. And at the same time I time the injector to fire, so the injector fires across the air charge that's going through these ports, the transfer ports. Oops. This thing's not want to cooperate with me again. Anyway, so it uses the oil rings. The oil rings are an external ring down here. And this is the piston liner, so this is steel. This design uses a narrow wrist pin. I'm working on another design to reduce this diameter here, because this increases efficiency when you reduce this area here. You increase this area here and reduce this diameter here, so I'm changing the connecting rod. This is an external oiler, just to add some oil to this bore here, plus this point goes past in the maximum stroke. This goes past here, and this little oil injector adds some oil to the wrist pin area. I found the wrist pin needed a little more oiling. So here we go. I've got about 3 hours of time on it right now, and about another hour of time with the turbocharger. I decided to add a turbocharger to it to see how that was, but basically two strokes never work with a turbocharger. This one can, because it doesn't have the piston face heating, etc. And plus the mixing from the exhaust to the intake is much improved over a typical port two-stroke. Anyway, there you go.